What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to repost someone's TikTok video on your own account. If you've ever come across a TikTok video that you found funny, entertaining, or informative, you might want to share it with your followers. TikTok makes it easy to repost videos, allowing you to share content that resonates with you without having to create your own version of it. The first thing you need to do is find the video you want to repost. You can do this either from your For You page or directly from the creator's profile. Once you've located the video, look at the icons on the right side of the screen. You will see several options, including like, comment, and share buttons. The share button looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and tap on the share button. This will open up a menu with a variety of sharing options. You can send the video directly to friends, share it on other platforms like Instagram or WhatsApp, or, in this case, repost it to your own TikTok account. Tap on this repost button, and TikTok will notify you with a message that says you reposted this video. This confirms that the video has been successfully shared with your followers. If you want to verify that the video has been reposted, you can go to your TikTok profile. On your profile page, look for a small loop icon that represents your reposted content. This icon is typically located near the top of your profile, next to your saved or liked videos. When you tap on this loop icon, you will see a list of all the videos you've reposted. The video you just shared will be displayed here, confirming that your followers can now see it in their feeds. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.